Hi and welcome, I'm Matt Jones from bedfordvaletingdetailing.com, and I'm going to shoot through this video really quickly. It's going to be short, it's going to be sweet, but it's going to get to the point. This is a glider trailer, London Gliding Club in Dunstable. I did this one 5 years ago, so it was freshening it all up. This is protecting the investment. So the sun had killed all the gel coat again, so it was a case of sanding it all down, a light sand, polishing it back up, and ceramic coating it to give it the best chance of staying fresh for a long period of time. Now this glider trailer is 23 years old. 23 years old. It doesn't look like it when I finished. So this is what I can obtain, this is what I do. I work on cars, I work on commercials, I work on tour industry through boats, motorhomes, caravans, pretty much everything you do, and we cater for everything on your budget. So give us a call, or if you're on the socials, click the subscribe button on YouTube and notifications, or just get in touch with us and we'll give you a quotation to try and fit your requirements and your budget, marry them all together. So thanks for watching. I'm Matt Jones.